Good morning, guys. Welcome back to CountyLine TV. We're about to load up a car to go to scrap. Yeah. Unfortunately, each one of these wheels and tires is going to have to come off on its own because the jack only goes so high. But that wasn't as dramatic as I'd hoped.
Same. it just went down.
Pow! Bang! Boom!
She's not coming out.
That's not going anywhere, bud. Take it back. Don't worry, I got you, bro. Look out.
Right? No, there's no
Holy
work.
that was awesome.
Big ass was in the way, I think.
He said,
He's in his door.
who knows?
Looks like you're buying an Escalade.
Seems like a good idea to me.
We'll stop at the end of the driveway and put that other one in there. I got trash on my head, but don't call me a trash head.
Overshot that figure, but
this door won't open anymore. Here, catch. I know we've been putting a lot of trash in here, but this really is a good looking vehicle, so we're gonna go ahead and wash it out now. Well, looking like that's gonna be about it. So we did a really good job of strapping this down. You can see the straps right there. It's like, I think the last thing you guys saw was us getting ready to scrap that Escalade and then pulling out with it and stuff. Times have changed. I went to work, I came back from work. Before I went to work, I did a bunch of other stuff, but it was all off camera because it was just home stuff, not the type of home stuff I vlog. But anyway, now we're in the garage, obviously. You can see it's the garage. We ended up having to do an emergency engine pull, which is what we're about to do right now. Justin found a buyer for one of his RX8s, and it's got to come apart within the next like 3 hours or something. So we gotta get to work. Luckily, some of the work's already done. We just gotta finish pulling the engine, mostly just the stuff underneath the car. Lightning speed front end disassembly right now. Lightning speed. Most of this engine's already tore apart. Luckily, so you know the intake and everything's off, all the water lines and everything. So the way I'm looking at it is, I think mostly all we got to do is unhook a couple more wires, like to the starter and what went to the battery and whatnot, and then I think the rest of it is just undoing like the engine mounts and trans mount and draining the transmission and Mazda stuff. Yeah. So if you couldn't hear him, I'm sorry about the audio. The air's on. He's whispering. He said the PPF. So. Which, yeah, it's a Mazda thing. They do that. If you have a Mazda, you know. But we're gonna get right to work. I think a lot of this is gonna be like GoPro head cam stuff because we really got to bust this out. We don't have a lot of time to waste. That was a really satisfying video. Nope, got it. That was over tightened, wasn't it?
Just a touch. I'll get an idea of. May have to check, see if it's still got oil in it.
I don't see sparkles.
I don't either. Which might be a good sign, because that may mean the engine's in better condition than I'd previously hoped. To remove the engine, you must be one with the engine. Don't be this way. Okay, thank you. The old saying. Oh goodness, she's a gusher. 3:30. I don't know what time it is.
I don't know if I specified this when we started, but it was already 3:30 a.m. when we started. I don't know if I specified this when we started, but it was already 3:30 a.m. when we started. So it's not exactly the most ideal circumstance for having to get this done by daybreak.
Drops back down. We got anything important underneath there in the way?
Gosh dang, GoPro died. No more head cam. Sorry about your luck. He's getting the motor mounts from the wheel wells right now. That's the easiest way to get to him. As you can see, there's like a big gap over there that you just reach in behind the wheel once the wheels turn all the way. So, but he did that there. And we're gonna do the same thing over there. I'll show you the next part.
Down here, you can see right here, best car Nissan ever made, Nissan RX8.
Oh, God bless. These oil lines there and there are real pains in the insert donkey noise to get off. So we're just gonna, I already know this is going to be a struggle, so instead of watching us struggle, I'm just going to... Well, that appears to be an engine outside of a car. Hell yeah. That's charcoal. Cool. That was our first time actually... Dang it, that thing came out on my tripod again. That was our first time actually pulling a Renaissance out of a car, so that was a good learning experience. He's got a couple more RX8s, so we'll be doing this again to a car that we actually care about. This thing's just getting sold here in a couple hours, but yeah, yeah, may not even be a couple hours. Yeah, it's pretty soon, but yeah, next time we'll be a little more ginger. We kind of nincompooped some stuff, but it was all just a learning experience. We had to figure it out. Like, for instance, I won't highlight too many of the things we did wrong because this is YouTube and I don't have to, but we unbolted the slave cylinder. Turns out that doesn't really matter because the clutch line has a little, it's dark in here, has a little union right there where it goes to a soft line, and it's pretty well attached, so that kind of hung us up for a second, but yeah. So in the future we'll know that we have to undo the clutch line, not just unbolt the slave. So we cut that and a heater hose, and I think that's it, right?
Yeah, and that wasn't necessary.
Yeah. Oh, and those oil lines, but whatever.
Yeah.
So, yeah, not too bad. I'm not too upset. Definitely, now we know what to do for the white car. So, all in all, good learning experience. And I'm certain this video is plenty long enough at this point. So, we're just gonna go ahead and end it right here. Oh, my camera's also about to die. Go ahead and click on this playlist right over here, or this video right here. And if you're not subscribed yet, it'll be right there.
Tell your mom.
Tell your mom to subscribe.